A blessed day, learners. Be ready and prepare yourself as we embark, learn, and enjoy this video. This time we study the strategies and thinking skills, not a taking while reading, skimming and scanning. Be safe, and God bless you always. This is Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Isa. Skimming means reading only small parts of a text in order to get an overview of the organization of the text and its main ideas. When skimming a paragraph or a page, you are searching quickly among the sentences for the answers to your questions. Skimming nangangahulog ang pagbabasa lamang ng maliliit na bahagi ng isang teksto upang makakuha ng pangkalahatang ideya ng organisasyon ng teksto at mga pangunahing ideya nito. Kapag sinusuri ang isang talata o isang pahina, mabilis kang naghahanap sa mga pangungusap para sa mga sagot sa iyong mga tanong. Here is how to skim. Narito kung paano mag-skim. A. Make sure that you know what information you are looking for, ask yourself a question, and look for a keyword. Tiyaking alam mo kung anong impormasyon ang iyong hinahanap, tanungin ang iyong sarili ng isang katanungan, at maghanap ng isang keyword. B. Move your eyes quickly from line to line and from sentence to sentence. Mabilis na ilipat ang iyong mga mata mula sa linya hanggang sa linya at mula sa pangungusap hanggang sa pangungusap. C. When you think you have found what you are looking for, stop. Kapag sa tingin mo ay nahanap mo na ang iyong hinahanap, huminto ka. D. Read slowly the part of the line or sentence that tells you what you want to know. Pulang dahan-dahan ang bahagi ng linya o pangungusap na nagsasabi sa iyo kung ano ang gusto mong malaman. E. Think about the question you were trying to answer. Isipin ang tanong na sinusubukan mong sagutin. F. Does the information you found answer the question? If not, quickly read the passage again to look for the information you need. Sinasagot ba ng impormasyong nahanap mo ang tanong? Kung hindi, mabilis na basahin muli ang CP upang hanapin ang impormasyong kailangan mo. G. Jot down the answer to the question you've asked. Isulat ang sagot sa tanong na iyong itinanong. 2. Scanning involves looking quickly through a text to find a specific word or piece of information. Instead of reading every word on a page, readers move their eyes quickly, searching for what is needed. Pag-scan nagsasangkot ng mabilis na pagtingin sa isang teksto upang mahanap ang isang tiyak na salita o piraso ng impormasyon. Sa halip na basahin ang bawat salita sa isang pahina, mabilis na iginagalaw ng mga mambabasa ang kanilang mga mata na hinahanap kung ano ang kailangan. Guidelines for scanning. Mga alituntunin para sa pag-scan. A. Understand the organization of the material. Unawain ang organisasyon ng material. B. Stay focused on what you are looking for. Manatiling nakatutok sa kung ano ang iyong hinahanap. C. Use whatever clues are available to speed up your search. Gamitin ang anumang mga pahiwatig na magagamit upang mapabilis ang iyong paghahanap. D. Confirm your information. Kumpirmahin ang iyong impormasyon.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic on study strategies and thinking skills. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.